Hello, my name is Tan Lai Hing and my matrix number 2212-201-927. Today I'll be representing my group 15O to present our mini project for the subject AMJ20403 Engineering Drawing. First of all, I'll be introducing our group member. First is myself, Tan Lai Hing. The second member of the group is Hashid Anak Lelaki Mutu Kamara. The third member is Liu Jason. Fourth member is Lukman Hakim bin Hasnul, and the last member of the group is Jagadiswari Anak Perempuan Mutusami. Now, let's move on to the introduction. The Islamic Religious Council and Perak Malay Custom want to construct a new school in Hulu Bernam, Perak. As a result, our organization have opted to produce a BOQ, also known as Bill of Quantity, for the tender bidding procedure. Our department have been tasked with calculating and estimating the cost of the foundation substructure work, which include piling work. We generate a detailed report for submission by compiling broad range information for taking off and also including a bill of quantity for the piling work based on the appropriate paper and drawing given by the developer. So now let's move on to the standard method of measurement. So the standard method of measurement used in this mini project is the SMM7. SMM7 is stated for Standard Method of Measurement 7. So SMM7 is able to give a set of specific measurement criteria for the development of bill of quantity or rate of schedule in order to get a tender price. It also addresses the quantification of non-quantifiable work item, contractor design test, and also hazard. Okay, so now we'll be moving on into the taking off list for this mini project. For item A1, clear order site 616 meter square, including all trees, bushes, and grabbing up roots and remove all the debris and surplus of the site, filling up hole with approved earth in the unit of item. And also for A2, we have excavation of topsoil with length 24,000 mm and width 27,500 mm and thickness 150 mm in the unit of meter square. And for A3, we have excavation of pit for foundation work in the unit of meter cube. Now we'll be moving on into piling work. So for B1, we have total knots of pile in the unit of knots, which stand for non-specified standard. And then we have B2, total driven depth in the unit of meter. And B3, total extension knots of pile in the unit of knots. B4, depth of extension pile external in the unit of meter. B5, cut off top pile in the unit of knots. B6, prepare pile cap in the unit of knots. B7, static load test and pile driving analyzer test in the unit of item. And now we'll be moving on into reinforced work. For C1, we have high tensile reinforcement bar for every pile cap in the unit of kg, which stands for kilogram. And also we have 10 mm diameter high tensile reinforcement link for every pile cap in the unit of kilogram. Furthermore, we have 16 mm high tensile reinforcement bar for column stump for each pile cap in the unit of kilogram. And lastly, we have mill steel reinforcement link for the column stump for each individual pile cap, also in the unit of kilogram. Furthermore, we'll be moving on into formwork work. Okay, so for D1 until D8, we have the formwork for pile cap and also the formwork for column stump, all in the unit of meter square. And the last one on the list is concrete work. So for E1 and E4, we have 15 mm thick grade 15 link concrete on piling for pile cap, all in the unit of meter cubic. And then we have grade 30/20 concrete for pile cap in the unit of meter cube. And lastly, E8 until E12, we also have grade 30/20 concrete for each of the pile cap in the unit of meter cubic. Finally, we'll be moving on into the bill of quantity form. So after calculating all the quantity and also the rate, we get a total of 176,626.10 cents Malaysia ringgit for this piling work. In conclusion, in this report, the bill of quantity of the substructure work for the new school in Hulu, Bernam, Perak have been compared. This report encompasses the total cost of the substructure work, which include taking of slip, shot, and bill of quantity. Moreover, we learned how to prepare a bill of quantity for the tendering process as a result of this mini project. Also, we were able to utilize the standard method of measurement 7 while doing this calculation for the slip shot. Apart from that, we were able to create a solution for the report in order to solve complex problems that involve diverse group of stakeholders with widely varying needs and necessitate the resolution of significant problems arising from the interaction of wide-ranging or conflicting technical engineering or other issue cannot be resolved without in-depth engineering knowledge. Lastly, I would like to express our gratitude to our lecturer for guiding us in completing this mini project. That's all from group 15O. Thanks for watching.